Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, you'll learn how to write a client appreciation letter. This letter is a formal expression of gratitude from a business to its client, recognizing their continued support, trust, and valuable partnership. You'll start the letter by placing your company's name, address, contact details, and the date at the top. Next, address the client directly by including their name, job title, company name, and address. Use a clear subject line like heartfelt appreciation for our valued partnership to show your purpose right away. After that, write, "We would like to take this opportunity to extend our sincere gratitude for your continued trust and support. Your collaboration has played a key role in helping us deliver quality outcomes, and it's been a pleasure working with a team that shares our commitment to excellence and innovation. Your professionalism, timely communication, and valuable feedback have contributed significantly to the success of our recent projects. We look forward to building on this strong relationship and achieving even greater milestones together in the future. Sincerely, your name, your position, your company name, your signature." This is our sample client appreciation letter. You'll notice how it expresses sincere gratitude, maintains a warm and professional tone, and reinforces a strong business relationship. The letter's thoughtful structure helps leave a lasting positive impression and encourages continued collaboration. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective business communication.